Quick overview of the BAVIN AC adapter for iOS devices. This is a dual port AC adapter with 2.4A output rating. Let's take a look at the wall charger. So as you can see, it has two USB 3.0 ports. The one at the top is for Android and at the bottom is for iOS. As you can see, it has 2.4A rating. And at the bottom of this charger, we have here an input of AC 90 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, and with the output of 5 volts and 2.4A amps. And of course, this is made in China. At the top, we will see the BAVIN branding, and this is the LED indicator. This will light up in blue color when you connect it to the outlet. So the charger came with this lightning cable with velcro strap, and if you check on its connector, it's a USB 2.0 interface connector, and this is the lightning connector. So this is about half a meter long, or 100 centimeter long, and it features surge protection. It claims to have surge protection, and according to the sales personnel, it supports simultaneous charging with two phones, but it cannot support simultaneous charging with a tablet and a phone because the output would be insufficient. So two phones, either Android or iOS, or both Android or both iOS, is good, but a tablet and a phone is a no can do for you, sir, ma'am. So that's pretty much it about the BAVIN AC adapter. By the way, this is priced at 450 pesos, and you can buy this from the BAVIN booth at the annex of SM City Davao, Ecoland, Davao City. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.